Today, I'm going to take a boat to visit a group of adorable little animals. I'm on my way to Guo Xiaoyu, a dolphin sanctuary. Here, they look after pregnant and injured dolphins. Let's take a look at what measures they have to take care of these beautiful creatures.
白海豚它是胎生的哺乳动物，一次只能生一胎，一胎怀胎大概要11个月，哺乳要1到2年。如果在这个时间段被遗传冲散啊，或是什么人类干扰了，就很难成活，夭折率也比较高。2000年的时候，海洋3所的黄忠国老教授呼吁说，要建立一个白海豚的救护怀孕基地。时任省长的那个习近平同志有个批示意见，那厦门市委市政府就按照这个批示意见呢，我们开始筹建这个救护基地。整个种群呢，最近这几年是保持这个稳定的80头左右。 青年壮年的比例达到51%，还是可以的啊。
There are currently 4 injured bottlenose dolphins and 4 green sea turtles being temporarily cared for at the base, with one of the dolphins even expecting a baby. I couldn't wait to meet them.
These animals are so gentle. We have to be really quiet because they're pregnant.
After getting permission from the staff at the base, I also got to try feeding some of the dolphins. But they seem so smart. Being able to interact with these little guys up close was incredibly heartwarming.
With these animals, once you finish taking care of them after they've been injured, do you release them back into the oceans or do you keep them here for conservation needs?
这个就救助进来的，要根据它的这个救助的情况分类进行处置。救助进来的这个状况都不太好，那我们也要经过比较长的时间看护，还有包括一些救治、野化训练啊，最后也是放归大海。
When you do release the dolphins back into the water, how do you make sure that they will be able to survive in the wild?
对，比如说我们这个池子，这个救助来的海豚在管里面，完以后放到这里面进行野化训练，状况可以的话再放回大海，它才有捕食能力、生存能力。
What makes these dolphins so important to the city of Xiamen?
中华白海豚它是这个属于旗舰物种，是整个海域的这种标志性的物种。它这个生存状况好，就代表我们整个食物链，包括海洋生态环境好。
It's impressive to see the conservation needs that they are giving these animals. Hopefully we can see the Chinese white dolphin thrive in its natural environment once again.
The excellent marine biodiversity of Xiamen is closely linked to the city's strong commitment to improving its ecological infrastructure. Our next destination is another great testament to this.
I'm here at the Xiamen mangroves in Xiamen. Now, 15 years ago, this looked and smelled completely different from how it does now. But in 2010, these mangroves were revitalized, making way for a whole new ecosystem of wildlife to thrive.
我们原来这一块是无序的养殖，所以呢，这一块整个的生态啊，包括风暴潮、台风啊，包括护花迷草的这种入侵，红树林的生境就遭到严重的破坏。最早是从05年开始，我们厦大的科研团队就在我们下塘湾里面就做了100亩的实验林，在这基础上，技术支撑的基础上，我们就开始了规划了整个红树林这一块的区域的修复面积就达到404公顷。
So how have the mangroves managed to revitalize the surrounding area?
通过我们红树林生态修复，形成了一个林、滩、海整个的生态系统，这样为周边啊，包括抵御风暴潮、抵抗台风，包括周边的整个的水质净化，为周边区域的居民啊，这个生活带来了很大的安全的防灾减灾的效果。
Xiamen Mangrove Forest has also become one of Xiamen's most popular attractions. And I got the chance to talk with some tourists about why they specifically came here to check this place out.
It's the first time we came here.
It's the first time you came here. It's also my first time here. What do you think of the mangroves?
Very beautiful and 宽阔。
湿地公园，我觉得这个离子对我们人体是很好的，都挺喜欢这种环境。
Xiamen has undergone tremendous changes in its ecological structure in recent years. Not only has this benefited the wildlife, but it has helped to strengthen the city's identity, crafting a strong sense of respect and care from its people to the nature that surrounds them. Meeting the residents of this city has shown just how much they want Xiamen to succeed and thrive. Xiamen is a leader in protection and conservation for its ecological infrastructure. During my trip here, I saw how the successful restoration of Yundan Lake has set an example for Xiamen's ecological protection. The city has found a way to promote the harmony between humans and nature. There's a saying in China that mountains and rivers are just as valuable as gold and silver, and nothing is more evident than through the people who live here.